I found this fabric on sale at Hobby Lobby, and I just had to buy it. The pattern reminded me of that scene from Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory.
The snozberries taste like snozberries.
But it did not, in fact, taste like oranges. I created these pattern pieces from a dress I already own and cut them out with my roller. Here they are all cut out. Next, I cut out the skirt pieces. And the straps. I also cut out the bodice lining. I attached the bodice lining pieces into one long crooked strip. We'll come back to this later. Since my track record with the zippers isn't great, I decided to create shirring for the back bodice. Basically, I used elastic thread and sewed lines over and over and over until the fabric was stretchy. I attached the bodice pieces right sides together before attaching the lining. I added my shirring at the end. Then I made 4 long, slippery snakes. I turned them inside out and top-stitched them to create straps. I know 4 straps feels like too many, but you'll see it later. I understitched the lining to lay flat beneath the bodice. Then I attached the skirt panels together. If you've seen my previous videos, perhaps you've noticed a trend. I love a good ruffle. I gathered the ruffle by pulling the thread and then attached the first skirt piece to the bodice. I submitted my progress to quality inspection, and apparently it failed. However, I don't like being told what to do, so I kept working on it anyway. I used a rolled hem foot to hem the bottom of the skirt panel. Then I used a basting stitch to create, you guessed it, more ruffles. Finally, I attached the bottom skirt to the middle skirt. I laid it out to admire my work when the supervisor decided to share her unsolicited opinion again. Once outside, I realized it was too cold for this dress. But everyone knows that if you get 2 butterfly kisses from an orange and toss it in the air, you'll end up in Florida. We had fun exploring the area and getting some
breakfast.
I made friends with this nice lady. She wasn't very talkative, but I think we'll be lifelong friends. We walked around and got a little lost. And we found some scooters and some very good dogs. Now enjoy some Florida B-roll. In the end, I was sad to fly home, but it turns out that orange trick only works one way. I thought the supervisor would be happy to see me, but I think she just wanted dinner.
What is it?